Again, please dumduman yung nga palangga kamusang Ginoo. Right, everybody please stand. Okay, good morning grade 12 agriculture.
Good morning, Teacher Jane.
Please have a seat. And please prepare one whole piece of pad paper. Thank you, agriculture.
Thank you and goodbye, Teacher Jane.
Alright, everybody please stand. Okay, good morning, Bukri.
Good morning, Teacher Jane.
Please have a seat. And please prepare one whole piece of pad paper. Again, please dumduman yung nga palangga kamusang Ginoo.
Thank you and goodbye, Teacher Jane.
Okay, good morning, Ruby.
Good morning, Teacher Jane.
Okay, everybody please stand. Thank you, Ruby.
Thank you and goodbye, Teacher Jane.
And everybody please stand. Good afternoon, Rose.
Good afternoon, Teacher Jane.
Okay, thank you, Rose.
Thank you and goodbye, Teacher Jane.
Good afternoon, Sunflower.
Good afternoon, Teacher Jane. Nice to meet you.
Please have a seat. Everybody stand. Thank you, Sunflower.
Thank you and goodbye, Teacher Jane.
Alright? Good afternoon, Orchid.
Good afternoon, Teacher Jane.
Okay, sige Labay pa nga matuon para kung pamangkuton makasabat dayon. Okay? Everyone, Orchid, thank you.